Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of tutorial for Aogi Jab Tum. I hope you have already watched the first part. If not, go check it out before you watch this one. The link is here in the I-bar so that you know the continuity of the step and you get familiar with the style of choreography. Okay, so let's start with this tutorial. So now the lyrics are, first line is चंदा को ताकू रातों में है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में. So your position of leg is this. ठीक है, like it was in the first part. Right, this is my right side again and this is my left side. So right leg is folded, left leg is behind. From here I go chanda ko taku raton mein. For chanda, my left hand will come to this position. I'll show chanda with my right hand. So right hand, this is the mudra with my right hand. So this is the right angle which I am making with this finger and my thumb. So this is the right angle and the other fingers are bent. So I go chanda. So this is the moon we make in Kathak. From here we go chanda, chanda. Okay, so for chanda ko, you will extend your right arm, up. Okay, you go chanda ko. So for chanda ko, you will look at the moon and smile because moon is so beautiful. Natural है कि आपको smile automatically face में आ जाएगी. So you go चंदा को. For ताकू, now you have to imagine as if you are going to open a window and peek out of the window to look at the moon. So you go open the window. Imagine as if these two hands are the flaps of the window. So you go open the flaps. Taku in taku. So you turn your hands like this so as to open the window. From here, take your ghungat with your right hand. Left hand will again come to this position. Hold your ghungat and bend your body forwards because you are now going to peek out of the window. For that, you have to bend your body a little forward. So you go raton mein. So you will gradually take your eyes up to where the moon is. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे ऊपर. Okay, I'll do it once more for you. From here, चंदा को ताकू रातों में. ठीक है, धीरे धीरे look to the moon and smile. From here comes है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में. For है जिंदगी, you're using only your right hand. Left hand यहीं पर रहेगा stationary and you'll use your right hand from here. Bring it down till here. So you go है जिंदगी and meanwhile your eyes will also close. So you go है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में. For तेरे हाथों में, left hand will come in and now you will turn your both hands from your wrist and you go तेरे हाथों में. And for तेरे हाथों में, you will look to your left धीरे धीरे. From here comes पलकों में झिलमिल तारे हैं आना भरी बरसातों में. So for पलकों में, your left hand will go again to this position. You will only use your right hand for this and this is the movement that you have to do with your hand, with your fingers, So you go this. Okay, so bring your hand in front of your right eye and you go palko mein. So when you do palko, you have to suddenly look to your right diagonal and you do this step with that motion. So you go palko mein. Okay, for after palko mein झिलमिल तारे. So take your both hands up to the top left corner. This is the mudra. Okay, for both of your hands, you'll make this mudra and you take your both hands up to the top left side and then go chill. So when you do chill, your hand will shake and come down. Only your right hand. So it shakes and come down in chill and in mill it will suddenly go up. So it goes chill, mill, chill, mill. Your eyes are following your right hand. So you go chill, mill. Okay. Now for tare hain, this is the step. Again, it's the same step we did in the first part when we showed these raindrops. But this time, we are representing stars with this step. So we go tare hain. So first, tare look to your right and then hair look to your left. by alternatively turning your hands. And this is the finger movement. So you go 1 and 2, 1, 2. So you go 1, 2. तारे हैं. Okay. From here comes आना भरी बरसातों में. For आना भरी, imagine as if someone is leaving and you have to stop that person. ठीक है? तो उसके लिए what you will do, from here you go and grab their hand suddenly. So you from here grab with your right hand and then pull that person closer to you because you are asking that person to stay. Okay? तो वो आप invite करो and you are convincing that person. तो ये expressions ऐसे ही जाएंगे because you are convincing कि रुको. Okay? From here we go. तारे हैं. Grab. आना भरी. So for बरसातों में take your both hands up above your head. From here, take them down till here. So it is बरसातों. ठीक है? As soon as your hands reaches to this point, you go and make peacock feathers. So from here you go 1, 2, 3. Here the whole step ends. From here बरसातों में इसके साथ मिला के ही peacock feathers. And when you do this step, you have to close your eyes and smile. So you go भरी बरसातों में. स्माइल क्यों करना है? Because imagine as if rain is falling on you. तो जब बारिश गिरती है तो your eyes gets closed. So you go from here बरसातों में, and when you do this peacock feather thing, you have to smile very gracefully because that depicts the pride peacocks have in them. Okay, the grace they have. So you go from here very nicely smile like this. Okay. So now why did we do this peacock thing? Because it is said that when it is cloudy or it is about to rain, peacock spread their feathers. Okay. And this time in this line we are showing monsoon or a rainy day, as it says भरी बरसातों में. So भरी बरसातों has in a rainy day or monsoon. तो उसके लिए it is very obvious कि हम एक peacock दिखाएंगे. So from पलकों में we'll start. पलकों में झिलमिल तारे हैं. Grab. आना भरी बरसातों में. ठीक है? From here comes सपनों का जहां होगा खिला खिला. So for सपनों का जहां, यहाँ पे आपका step end हुआ. From here take your both hands up and open them. ठीक है? So you go सपनों का, and as soon as your right hand reaches to this point, you take your left hand to your right hand and then flip your both hands up. So you go सपनों का जहां. From here we are making butterflies. For that, this is the mudra and this is the motion. So you go in a wavy motion. So from here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the butterflies we are showing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and your hands are also supposed to shake for this action. So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So these are the butterflies we're showing. सपनों का जहां 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. From here comes होगा खिला खिला. So for first खिला, we're showing our face. For that, take your both hands in front of your face, almost hiding it, and now open your hands so as to show your face. So you go खिला with a nice smile on your face. Because when you smile, you look much more vibrant and youthful. And that is what we call खिलना. So, पहला खिला हम दिखाएंगे खिला हुआ चेहरा. Okay? For second खिला हम दिखाएंगे खिलता हुआ flower. Okay? So from here, दूसरा खिला. Now, when a flower blossoms, it happens that there are some insects and bees that comes. these pollinators. Okay, so for collecting pollens or nectar, I'm not gonna teach you biology here, don't worry. I'm just telling you this because हम दूसरा खिलना दिखा रहे हैं और उसके बाद हमारा जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है वो यही है. So here a bee comes, क्योंकि फ्लैग खिला हुआ है इसीलिए आ रही है. So we go 1 2 3 in a random motion because that is how a bee flies. So we go khila 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 1 2 3 4. From here comes Barsega Savan. For that, use both of your hands and in this mudra, 2 fingers, and you make a cloud. Okay, so you go Barsega Savan. Look at the cloud also. This is first Barsega Savan. Second Barsega Savan is same as it was in the first part. So you go, take your hands down in shaky motion. So you go Barsega Savan. Now for Jhum Jhum Ke in Kathak we call this step Meer, but जिनको नहीं पता, for that for them you imagine as if you're holding a dupatta in your hand. So आप उस दुपट्टे को घुमाओ अपने चारों तरफ, ठीक है, टू प्रैक्टिस दिस स्टेप. ठीक है, आपको धीरे धीरे तभी प्रैक्टिस होगा. और आपको करना कैसे है, योर राइट हैंड विल टर्न इनवर्ड्स, देन all the way up and here, and in this whole step your left hand and your eyes are following your right hand. So this is how the step looks. 1 2 3 4. I hope you're getting it. Again I'll do it. 1 2 3 4. Now turn your hands to like this and look to your right. ठीक है, बरसेगा सावन, झूम झूम के and turn. Okay, from here comes दो दिल. ऐसे मिलेंगे. For दो दिल your right hand goes to right side and your left hand goes to left side, and you also look in the same direction. So look to your right, then to your left, दो दिल. For ऐसे मिलेंगे, take your both hands to your neck. So you take them in and then turn them outwards, make a circle, and as soon as your hand reaches to this place, you again take your hands in and this time little down. Okay, यहाँ पे नहीं लेके आना है, इस बार नीचे लेके आना है. Again turn, and this time you have to turn them inwards and flip your both hands such that your right hand is above your left hand. Okay, आपको मैं फिर से बताती हूँ. दो दिल, take them in, turn them outwards, one circle, again take them in, turn them inwards and flip. So this is my right hand which is above my left hand. आपको ऐसे flip करना है. And in this flip you also have to look to your left side. Your body will also tilt a little towards the left. This is it. So I should do the whole stanza from the start for you. 1 2 3 go. Chanda ko taku रातों में है जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में, पलकों में चिलमिल तारे है, ग्रैब आना भरी बरसातों में, सपनों का जहां 1 2 1 2 3 खिला खिला 1 2 1 2 3 बरसेगा सावन, बरसेगा सावन, झूम झूम के एंड टर्न. दो दिल ऐसे मिलेंगे. 1 2 3. So this was the whole choreography, guys. I hope it helped you. I hope you were able to learn something from these tutorials, because this was the first time that I'm teaching dance virtually, so I was very nervous initially, but now I'm glad it's completed. And if you're planning to do this choreography or any of my choreographies, make sure to tag me on Instagram. My username is right here on the screen, and also put a hashtag Sukriti choreography so that I can find those lovely videos, I can watch them, like them, comment them. It will be so much fun. So yeah, love you all. See you soon. Take care. And also, make sure to follow me. My username is right here. Bye.